You have a number of options related to the security of your meetings, and you can find these also in the settings of your account. So just head over to the settings within either the desktop app or in the web browser and look for the security option in the left hand column there. Once you go into that, here you can choose from both the meeting room access and also the passcode options. So, in terms of meeting room access, you do have your own personal meeting room, and that has its own access code, which is to be found just down here under access code. Then, if you come back into security, you'll see that it also has that same number shown there in brackets. Now, you could have it that every time you schedule a meeting, it's going to use that default code. That means that the meeting ID will essentially be the same every time you want to have a meeting, whereas you can also choose the option to generate automatically. Now, if you are just in a small team and maybe you're just having recurring meetings with the same people all the time within your organization, then perhaps the personal meeting room option might be the best. However, if you are having a number of different meetings with various different people, certainly the recommendation would be to generate this automatically so that every meeting ID is unique. Similarly, with the passcode, if you are in a familiar environment with folks who you know who they are going to be joining your meeting every time, then perhaps the option to not have any passcode might be applicable. However, I personally would recommend using either a shared passcode or, better still, a unique passcode for all meetings. Bearing in mind that when you do send out these invitations to people for the meetings, it will automatically generate the link and any passcode information. So it would seem robust from a security point of view to have both of those things in place for all meetings. But the option is there if you would like the convenience with trusted members to just opt for the personal meeting ID and the no passcode. Just bear in mind, though, that if you have shared your personal meeting room ID and you don't have a passcode, then it means that anybody potentially who has that information could be joining your future meetings when you are not intending them to do so. So that's why I personally recommend the generate automatically and the unique meeting passcode.